repeat the points. So what are the sharing rules? Sharing rules. So what is the purpose of the sharing rules? This will specify extra permissions given to the user to access the records apart from what he was able to access using ODB. This will specify extra permissions given to the user to access the records apart from the records what he was able to access through ODB. According to the ODB, you are able to access certain records. Because of ODB, you are able to access certain record. Apart from those records, if I want to give any extra set of permissions, then I will go for sharing rules. How many types of sharing rules are there? We have sharing rules, owner based sharing rule, criteria based sharing rule, manual sharing rule, and the fourth one is effect based sharing. So owner based sharing rule, criteria based sharing rule, manual sharing rule, and effects based sharing rule. These are the four types of sharing rules what we have. Owner based, criteria based, manual sharing, effect based sharing. Let us start with the first format, owner based sharing rule. Listen carefully here, everyone. Look at the structure. I have organization with the role of CEO, manager, this is the structure of my organization, the role structure of my organization. CEO, manager, clerk, HR manager, HR executive. In my company, I have certain users here. User roles. Sham. These are the users whom I have. What are the roles they have? The roles given to them. Sham, manager. Ram, clerk. Wilson, clerk. Faraz, HR manager. HR executive. So we have HR manager, HR executive, and now what is the purpose of a queue? If a group of people you want to make them as a owner, if you want a team to be a owner on a record, we will create what? Now what is a public group? Group of users under one name. Like you got WhatsApp group, school friends, college friends, colleagues. You are creating a group. What is a group? Group of users under one name, which is called public group. We are putting the group of users under one name, which is called public group. What is the advantage of this group? If I want to send any message to 10 members, instead of sending the message to everyone, simply put it in the group. It is automatically shared with all the 10 members, right? When you want to share the information with a group of people, then create them like a group. Create them like a public group. Share the information with a public group. Are you getting my point? Now here we have some public group. What is the public group? The name of the group is Capital. You will have user like Shyam. Who are the members in the group? Shyam and all HR executives. This is the basic structure of my organization, users and corresponding roles. In the database, I have a table 111 Shyam. We have created the structure in this one. I also have one record 777 some team. These are the records, they are the owners, these are the users, corresponding roles. This is the structure of my organization. Now, I have defined OWD on this object as private. What is the OWD I have defined? OWD on this object is private. When I define OWD as private, what will happen? When I define OWD as private, only one of the record will be able to see, no other user will be able to see. Right? Now, I go. All the users whose role is clerk. All the records owned by the users whose role is clerk. All the records which are owned by the users whose role is clerk. Now, who is having a role called clerk? Ram and Wilson. Now, Ram and Wilson. What are the records that are owned by Ram and Wilson? Ram and Wilson owns 222 records owned by the people whose role is clerk. Records owned by the people whose role is clerk. Records owned by the people whose role is clerk. So we have 222, 333. These records are shared with users whose role is HR executive. With the permission of what was this? Users who are having a role of HR executive, they are getting access of the records which are owned by the clerks. Records owned by the people whose role is clerk. Records owned by the people whose role is clerk. They are shared with the users whose role is HR executive. Who are having a role of clerk? Ram and Wilson. Which records are owned by them? 222, 333. They are shared with whom? Users who have a role of HR executive. Who is having a role of HR executive? Divya and Kavya. Now, let us see. We have Divya and Kavya. Now, Divya, Kavya. Which records that Divya was able to see? Divya was able to see 555. Why she was able to see 555? Because she was the owner. Because she is the owner, she was able to see 555. Kavya was able to see 666 because she was because OWD is private, they were able to see. Now, which records are giving extra permissions? 222. Why they are giving this extra permission? I am creating a sharing rule saying that records owned by the users whose role is clerk, share those records with the users whose role is HR executive. This is how we agree. Are you clear? Actually, they are supposed to get the permission on only 555. Divya was supposed to get the permission on 555, but now she is getting the permission on 222, 333. These extra permissions are coming because of what? Sharing rule. Sharing rules are used to grant extra permissions on a record apart from what user is getting through OWD. According to the OWD, you are supposed to get only 555. But apart from this 555, I am also giving the permission on 222, 333, which is coming through sharing rules. Are you clear? Next, let me give one more example. Records owned by the users whose role is clerk share these records with the users who belongs to role and subordinates of HR. So role and subordinates of HR manager means HR manager and subordinates. HR manager and subordinates. With are you getting my point? Records owned by the users whose role is clerk. Records owned by the users whose role is clerk. Those records are shared with the users who have a role and subordinate of HR manager. So when you give this, we have to these records. Who are the people who are having a role and subordinates of HR manager? For us, Divya and when you say Divya and Kavya, now Divya and Kavya was supposed to get permission on only 555, but they are getting the permission on 222. Read. Faraz was supposed to get permission on only 444 because he's the owner, but now he's getting permission on 222. Are you clear about the context? Records owned by the given role are shared with another role. Records owned by a given role shared with role and subordinates of given role. Again, I have next third point. Records which are owned by the role clerk. Records owned by the role clerk. They are shared with the public group captain. Shared with the public group captain. Who are there in the public group captain? Who are there in the public group captain? Divya, HR executive. Divya, Kavya, and Shah. Divya, Kavya, and Shah. The same story, but instead of Faraz, we are going to add. Instead of Faraz, we need to add. Did you get my context here? So records owned by a given role shared with another role, shared with the role and subordinate, shared with the public group. Records owned by a role shared with another role. Records owned by a role shared with the role and subordinates. Record owned by a role shared with the public group. Apart from OWD, I am giving extra access of the records to a specific group of people. This is called owner based. How I am sharing? Records owned by you shared with the role. Records owned by you shared with the role and subordinates. Are you getting my context here? I hope you are clear. People have followed this? People have followed this? Right. Now let me give you a clear idea. When you say owner based sharing rule, so what is owner based sharing rule? Records which are owned by the users who belongs to given role or role and subordinate or public group or queue are shared with users who have defined role and subordinate with read on records are owned by users who belongs to given roles or role and subordinate or public group or queue are shared with users who have a specified role or role and subordinate or a public group with read or read and write access. with the read or read and write access. People are comfortable with this condition. People have followed this, right? Example I can give you. All the leads which are owned by sales manager, whose role is sales manager, are shared with sales executives. With sales executives with read access. Second, all the opportunities which are owned by users who belongs to HR manager, manager subordinate, are shared with. So I hope people got this context. So already OWD is giving you some access. Apart from OWD, if I want to give any extra permissions, then I am going for sharing. So generally, sharing rules will come into the picture when OWD is private. When OWD is private, other people are not able to see the records, then I will share the record. If it is a public read or public read write, everybody is able to see the record. Right? There is a reason. Generally, when the OWD is private or public read, when OWD is private or public read, I will be sharing the records. Generally, when the OWD is private or public read, I will be sharing the records. I hope I am clear. So, when does the sharing rules will come into the picture? When OWD is private or public read. Why private or public read? Private means still some of the users are not able to see the records. Public read, users are able to perform only read, but they don't have the write permission. I may give extra permission of write. Are you clear? People are clear? So when the sharing rules will come into the picture? When OWD is private or public. I hope you got the context. Everyone followed? Any queries? Any queries from the online batch? Okay. Let us go to the next one. We are going with the next point. Criteria based sharing. Criteria based. What do you mean by criteria based sharing rule? I am going to give a condition. Records which are meeting the condition, they are shared with a given role. Like I told, all the records, all the leads, whose city is Hyderabad, share them with HR manager. All the leads, all the employees whose experience is more than 5 years, share them with the project manager. So I am giving a condition. Records which are meeting the condition, they are shared with the given users. So I am going with what? Condition based. I am giving a condition. Records which are meeting the condition, they are shared. Criteria based sharing rules. What was this? All the records which are meeting the given condition are shared with given way. All the records which are meeting the given condition are shared with the users who have a given role and subordinate, public group, with the read or read and write access. All the records which are meeting the given condition are shared with the users who have a given role and subordinate, public group with the read or read and write access. So example, all the opportunities whose stage name is closure 1, all the opportunities whose stage name is closure 1 are shared with users who have a role of all the opportunities whose stage name is closure 1 are shared with users who have a role of HR manager. Who have a role of HR manager. All the opportunities whose stage name is closure 1 are shared with users who have a role of HR manager. Who have a role of HR manager. With read access. All the leads whose lead source is are shared with users. All the leads whose lead source is web are shared with the users who belongs to all the leads whose lead source is web are shared with the users who belongs to role and subordinate of HR manager with the read and write access. This is what? Condition based. I am giving a condition. Records which are meeting this condition are shared. We are giving a condition. Records which are meeting the condition, they are shared. So it is a criteria based sharing rule. It is a criteria based sharing. We are giving a condition. Records which are meeting this condition, they are shared. Criteria based sharing rule. It is a criteria based sharing rule. I hope I am clear. Then manual sharing rule. What is manual sharing rule? Manual sharing. If you want to share a particular record, this one record, criteria or owner basis, all the records which are owned by you share. All the records which are meeting the condition share. I don't want a group of record. I want a particular record. I want to share a particular record with a group. When you want to share a particular record, you go for a manual share group. Go to the record, click on the button, share the record. Manual. You are going to the record, clicking on the record, sharing it, which is called manual sharing rule. What is the meaning of manual sharing rule? If you want to share, a particular record with a user, role and subordinate, or public. What is the extra thing we got here? We can share the record with a particular user also. Owner based and criteria based, I cannot share with a particular user. If you go with the owner based or a criteria based, I cannot share with a particular user. But in manual sharing rule, I can go with a particular user. I can also share the record with a particular user. Share the record with Shyam, share the record with Ram, share the record with Wilson. I cannot share a record with a particular user in the owner based or criteria based. Owner based or criteria based, I can share the record with a particular role and subordinate, or a public group. But whereas when you go with the manual sharing rule, I can share the record with a particular user. I hope you are clear with the access. This is a manual sharing. Now we'll take some use cases to understand these conditions. Again, we'll take some use cases. Now let me log in as 3 users. Now look at the requirement. I am trying to create one of the objects. We'll do everything from scratch. Get the complete idea. I am creating an object here, customer object, with the name of the customer, city. I am going to create an object called customer with the name, city, phone. Customer object with the name, city, phone. Now, I will log in like 4 users. How do you create an object? Setup, build, create, objects, new custom object, customer, I'm creating a tab for the object. This procedure already knowing how to get an object tab. I'm going fast. Then I'm creating a couple of fields, city and fetch field. Right. We got here customer, name, city, phone number. We got the data. I'm creating a couple of records. Now we got the records here. 4 records are here. Now what I'm doing, first go to the profiles, see what are the users whom we have. As per us, Shravan has no role, give the role for the Shravan. Shravan has a role of director. Then we have Wilson. Wilson has a role of manager. And Divya and Faraz has a role of HR manager, right? Now I'm going to create some public group. What is the public group? Administer, manage users, public group, new public group, capital. Who are the members of the group? Who are the subordinates? Who are the members? Shravan and HR manager. Who is HR manager? Divya and Faraz. Divya and Faraz. Now let me log in like 4 users. I will log in like 4 users so that we can find out who has what access. We're moving faster. Now, Divya logged in. Similarly, Wilson. Similarly, Faraz has to log in. We have Satish Ravan, we have Divya, we have Wilson, and I also log in Faraz. I am using 4 different browsers here. So everybody is using Internet Explorer. If you want to be a good developer, the first thing that you have to start doing is uninstall the Windows, install the Linux. Until you start using the Linux, you'll not become a good developer. First uninstall the Windows, install the Linux, start working on the Linux. If you start using the Linux, we will also teach on Linux. Now look at the format. So we have Faraz, we have Wilson, right? So we have Divya and we have Shravan. Now this is the format. First, we have to go and give the permission for the user. Object is not visible to them, so go to what? Manager profile, HR manager profile. They should have the permission on the object. Unless they have the permission on the object, you will not be able to see. So what I am doing? Go back, go to the profile, see, permission to see the object. Next, permission to okay. Now we create an object and everybody is able to see. Now what happened? First, Faraz, he was able to see customer object. So Faraz was creating. Then we got EVA was also trying to create one record. Customer. Right. So, couple of records are created by all other people. Now, what happened was, I went to OWD, setup, administer, security controllers, sharing settings, edit. What is the finding? When I say OWD as private, only owner can see the records. Now, go to Faraz, click on customer. How many records he was able to see? Only one record he was able to see. Go to Divya. She was able to see only one record. She was able to see only one record. Then we have the third person, Wilson. Wilson has not created any records. But why he is getting all the records? Right? In the profile, for the manager profile, I give customer. Still he was not able to, like customer. There is no permission of view all and modify all. But still he was able to see. What may be the reason? What may be the reason? What may be the reason? Role hierarchy. The possibility is either at the profile level you should have a permission or OWD permission should be there. If not, role hierarchy. Role hierarchy. Look at this. Go and see whether role hierarchy is enabled. Remove the role hierarchy. What is selected? Is an employee object I selected. The profile level.
At the view level, you have to select the customer.
One minute. Sorry. I will take an employee object. Wondering why data was visible. Now look at this. So he was not able to see any data. Now what happened? He was not able to see any data. Now I want to give a sharing rule. Because OWD is private, only owner is able to see, none of the people are able to see. Now I want to go for owner based sharing. What is the owner based sharing rule? Go back to this. Sharing rules, organization by default. What you are finding here? Sharing rules. Scroll down. Customer sharing. New. Now give. Based on record owner. Records are owned by the users whose role is HR manager. Who is having the role of HR manager? Divya and Faraz. Divya and Faraz are shared with the user whose role is records owned by the users whose role is HR manager. They are shared with the users whose role is manager. So Faraz and Divya's records are shared with the Wilson. Faraz and Divya's records are shared with the Wilson. With what permission? I told read only. So what type of sharing rule is this? Owner based sharing. Records owned by the users whose role is HR manager. They are shared with the manager. Go back and see. How many records Wilson was able to see? Pramod and Raghu. Pramod is owned by Faraz. Raghu was owned by. They are visible. Are you clear about the format? So we are sharing the record based on ownership. Similarly, I am going to the next condition. Scroll down. New sharing rule. This time, this is a criteria based. Records which are owned by, records which are whose city is based on criteria. Records whose city is Hyderabad. Records whose city is Hyderabad. Share those records with the users whose role is. Records whose city is Hyderabad. Share those records with the manager. Not only manager, I want to share with everyone. Not only manager, I want to share with everyone. So what I will do? Go to the public group. HR manager, Shravan, and also lab. Alright, everybody is there in the group. So what I'm doing, share the record with the public group. Records whose city is Hyderabad, share them with the capital group. Who all are there in the capital group? Everybody was there. Then go back to here. Is that was clear? Satish and Kiran records are visible. Why is that visible? Why is that visible? Because the records are from Hyderabad records are visible. Apart from records which are owned by Divya and Faraz are. Divya and Faraz have a HR manager role. So records owned by HR manager are stored with the manager. Records whose city is Hyderabad, they are shared with the public group called capital group. So who is there in the public group? Faraz is also in the public group. If Faraz is also in the public group, what will do? Refresh the page. Now Faraz is also able to see the record which he owned as well as records whose city is. Are you clear? This is what? Criteria based schedule. But still there are so many other records. We are not able to see other records. What are the other records we have? Total how many records we have? Bangalore records are there which are not visible. So what I am doing? Open the Bangalore record. There is an option called click on the sharing button. Let's see. What is that particular record I opened? I am sharing that particular record with the user. What is this called? Manual sharing rule. Manually you are sharing a record with a particular role. Or else add. Share the record with the capital group. Share this record with the capital group. One particular record you are opening, sharing the record with the given user or a role or a public group. What was this? One Bangalore record is shared. So what was this condition called? Manual sharing rule. So owner based sharing rule, criteria based sharing rule, manual sharing. Other one is Apex based sharing rule. When you say Apex based sharing rule, it's a programmatically we are sharing the record. Writing a program and sharing the record. We'll be seeing them in development part. Apex based sharing. I hope you got my points. How many types of sharing rules we have? Apex based, okay, Apex based, manual, criteria, and owner based. Right. Now I have a condition. All the records should be visible to everyone except Satish. How will you achieve this? All the records should be visible to everyone except Satish. Now first, what is the OWD? What is the OWD? Is everybody able to see every record? No. So obviously it has to be private. But what happened? Remaining people has to see every record. If I give OWD as private, only owner can see. Other people cannot see other record. But as per my condition, all the people have to see every record except Satish. Then what should I do? Create a public group. Include everyone in the public group except Satish. Share all the records with the public group. Then everybody will be able to see every record. If at least one person is not able to see, OWD is private. Then write the sharing rules to share the record. Are you clear about the condition? Are you clear about the condition? People are clear? Clear? So sharing rules are used for what? What for we are using a sharing rule? Sharing rules are used for granting extra access on the given set of record apart from what is the access the user is getting through OWD. Are you clear about the context? So as I told you, now I told in my organization, all the HR managers has to see every record. Rest of the people should see only their records. How will you achieve? In my organization, all the HR managers should see all the records, but remaining people should see only their records. How will you achieve? First, OWD. What is the OWD? Private. Now, I told HR manager should see all others record. What should I do? Create, okay. Create what? Some sharing rule. Share all the records with the HR manager. Are you getting my point here? Right? So, identify what is the OWD, then see what are the extra records I have to share, how to share, manual or order based or criteria based. Accordingly, we have to achieve. This is called record level access. So, how do you achieve the record level access? One is OWD, sharing rules. Third one is what? Profile, view all and modify all. If I say view all the records are visibility. If I say modify all the records are visibility. So view all and modify all. So OWD, sharing rule, view all, modify all. Are you getting my point? Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? Still anybody has any queries on these three concepts? Clear? So first we have to define the OWD. Any extra permissions? Sharing rules. Okay. Now we also have one extra point here. That is territory based sharing rule. Territory based sharing rule is I want to share the record based on the region. All the people who are working in Hyderabad team, they have to see all the records of Hyderabad. Now look at this context. Look at this context. Right. My business. I'm an insurance company. I'll be getting the inquiries from different formats. Okay. Now, my business is running in Hyderabad, Bangalore. In Hyderabad, I have some SR Nagar. LB Nagar. In Bangalore, I have. So, how did I divide? Based on the region, territory, based on the region. So, Bangalore, I have, let us say, Whitefield. I have some Kundanahalli, gate. So Chennai I have some museum road. I have some places here. So my data is divided. Like this. Now what happened? So in the SR Nagar, now I'm saying, boss, I'm adding the users. You belong to which zone? Sham and Ram, they're working for SR Nagar branch. LB Nagar, so Maria and Kiran. Because when I get any inquiry about the SR Nagar, the person from Delhi will not come to SR Nagar to communicate what policy you want to take. Right? Some executives of the region will come back, right? So we are dividing them into region. Let us say some Whitefield, Savita, we have some Hindi. We have some data, right? This Hyderabad zone, let us say Satish is the head. Bangalore zone, let us say Apparo is head. Chennai zone, let us say Hemati is head. So what is that? We divided the people into region wise. Hyderabad, Satish was the head. Under you, there are two branches, SR Nagar zone, LB Nagar. And Bangalore, Apparo, you are the head. And Whitefield, and okay, this one. And this is the team who is working for the region. Now, I received an inquiry. Who is an inquiry? Let us say, Divya made an inquiry. She told she is looking for a life insurance. And she told she is residing in the city called Hyderabad, in the branch called SR Nagar. Now what happened? The inquiry will be automatically assigned to who? Whatever the inquiry we received, the inquiry will be assigned to what? Hyderabad team. Now, when it is assigned to Hyderabad team, all the members of the Hyderabad team should be able to see. In Hyderabad, what is that? It's the SR Nagar. So the members of SR Nagar team should see this inquiry. All the members of this SR Nagar should see this inquiry, and anyone can take a responsibility of it. So what is it? The data is shared based on the region. Now, LB Nagar people will not be seeing the Divya record. Now, one more inquiry came. There is a Shravan made an inquiry. He told, I want health insurance. I am from Hyderabad. I am from LB Nagar. Now, this record should be visible to whom? LB Nagar people. This record should be visible to LB Nagar people. Satish should be able to see Divya and Shravan record. Right? So, what is that? We are categorizing the data based on territory and sharing. The people who belong to this territory, you have access to this data. People who belong to this territory, you have access to this data. So LB Nagar data will not be visible to SR Nagar. SR Nagar data will not be visible to LB Nagar. Bangalore data will not be visible to Hyderabad. Hyderabad data will not be visible to Bangalore. Why? You have divided the data as per what? Territory. You are running the business as per territory. Asian business, American business, European business. The data of Asia will not be available to European support team. The European data will not be available to Asian support team. So we are categorizing the data based on territory, dividing the data based on territory, dividing the data based on territory. In this territory, who are the members? What are the records? In this territory, who are the members? What is the data? Are you clear about this point? You are the team. So what is this called? Territory management. What do we call it as? Territory management. Now, who is an account? Tell me. Who is an account? Any person or a organization with whom I am doing a business is called account. Suppose I am doing a business with Wipro. When I am doing a business with Wipro, Wipro is my account. What Wipro told me? Wipro told me, Satish, we want Salesforce developers. 2 Salesforce developers we require. Right. Okay. Next, after 1 week, it told Salesforce, okay, Satish, we require Salesforce admins, 4 positions we have. Now, one account will give how many opportunities? Many opportunities. Today you may purchase one product, tomorrow you may purchase one more product. Account will have number of opportunities. Account will have number of opportunities. One account, number of opportunities. Now the question is, if you add this account to this SR Nagar, in the SR Nagar, if you say SR Nagar, account Wipro. Now what about the opportunities of this account? Can the members of this SR Nagar can also see the opportunities of this account? If you are able to see the account, can you see the opportunities or not? It's a question mark. If you can see the opportunities, what can you perform? Read, edit, delete, or only read? Right. That's what we have to specify while adding the records. Was if I add any record to this territory, okay, all the members of this territory can perform what type of operations on this account. When an account record is added to this territory, the members of this territory can perform what? You can see, okay, can you modify? Can you delete? Can you transfer? What can you perform on the records of this territory? You are dividing the data based on the territory, adding the users to the territory, adding the data to the territory. The members of this territory, what they can do on this data of this territory? The SR Nagar people are able to see SR Nagar data. On the data, what they can perform? Can they perform read? Can they perform write? Can they perform delete? Okay, you are able to see account. What about the opportunities? If you are able to see the account, can you see the opportunities also? That's what we have to define at the time of creating a territory. First, the theme of territory is clear. Theme of territory is clear, right? Theme of territory is clear. Sure, right. Now,
The same thing we can do using criteria also. So why separate criteria?
now, if you added a criteria, now the members of that team is not working for entire operation, it's only working for account and operation. It's not an entire database. Okay. Second, criteria, when you say criteria, I have 140, okay, 140 territories. Then how will you divide it? Then when you go for a criteria, still not completed. When you go for a criteria, Hyderabad records will not be visible to the subordinates. That's SR Nagar, LB Nagar, records should be visible to Hyderabad. Using criteria, what I can say, or show this record to this. But the people of SR Nagar and Hyderabad, this should not be visible to Hyderabad. Not only sharing the records, hierarchy also should be maintained. Now, if anybody belongs to Hyderabad, okay, if I belong to Hyderabad, I should be able to see SR Nagar and LB Nagar. Using criteria, what you can say, if city equal to SR Nagar, branch equal to SR Nagar, show the records to SR Nagar team. Okay, but these records should be visible to what? Hyderabad also. Suppose if there are 40 regions under Hyderabad, then I will write what? 40 conditions. Are you getting my point? And we are not writing this condition for everything, only for account and opportunity. Now look at this. Setup, administer. What you are finding here? Manage, settings. Manage territories, settings, enable. What is the format? Setup, manage territories, settings, enable. Now it is asking account access. That all the accounts of this territory, on those accounts, what the account members, all the members of the territory can perform what type of operations on the account. They told view and edit, view, edit, transfer and delete. The members of the territory can perform what type of operations on the records of the territory. Can you perform view and edit or view, edit, transfer, delete? I told view, edit. What about the opportunity? You are able to see account. What about the opportunity? You have to give the conditions here. So first I have created. Okay, saved. Then territory types. Indian territory. Then I'm going with territory model. Territory types India. Territory models. New territory model. Hyderabad. So how many territory models I created? Hyderabad and Bangalore. Bangalore. What do we have? View. Under the Bangalore I'm creating credit type. Electronic city. Belongs to territory type of. Under Indian territory, we have Bangalore. Under the Bangalore, we have electronic city. Now they're asking all the account records which are added to this territory. On those account record, what the team members can do? I told V1. Who are the members of this territory? Assigned territory members. Manage users. I told. Wilson is the member of territory. Divya is the member of territory. So Divya and Wilson will be able to see all the records irrespective of OWD. Okay, all the account records which are added to this account, this territory. All the account records which are added to this territory. All the account records which are added to this territory. All the account records which are added to this territory are visible to Divya and Wilson irrespective of OWD and sharing rules. All the records added to this territory are visible to Wilson and Divya irrespective of OWD and your sharing rules. Which records? Add account records. Select some records. I selected some records. So these are the records of this territory and these are the members of the territory. These members can perform view, edit, delete, transfer on all these records. Are you clear? Are you going to give any assignment rules? Which record should be assigned to which territory? Which record should be assigned to which territory? Then I can give request city equal Hyderabad assigned to this territory. City equal Bangalore assigned to this territory. We can give a rules. When a record is coming, the record fall under which territory? When a record is created, the record fall under which territory? I am giving. Boss, if city equals to this is a city. So otherwise I'll give some other. If account type equals to salary, then shift the records to this territory. Add them to electronic city. What is it? When the record will be added to this territory, there I manually click the records. But here I am giving a condition. Automatically, when city equal to electronic city, when branch equal to electronic city, add them to this territory. When city equal to Hyderabad, add them to Hyderabad territory. So automatically what happened? When a record is created, when the city equal to Hyderabad, add them to Hyderabad territory. Members of the territory can see the records of the territory. So how you are sharing the records? Based on territory. We share the records based on ownership. We share the records based on the criteria. We are sharing the records based on territory. Region wise, territory wise we are sharing. Are you clear about this condition? People have followed. I will do everything from beginning again. Let's go through the format. I hope people are getting the points. I hope you are clear about this point. Then let me remove everything that I have. I'll create. Go back to this. Manage territories. Now what I'm doing, first territory. Territories, I created a new territory type. Hyderabad territory. I have territory model, territory type called Hyderabad. Under the Hyderabad, we are going to create some territory models. SR Nagar. Under the SR Nagar, we are going with VYR. Under SR Nagar, we are giving. Under SR Nagar branch, we have in Hyderabad, Amirpet branch. In Amirpet branch, we have SR Nagar. Now, for the SR Nagar, who are the users of this SR Nagar? We created a territory, right? For this territory, who are the members of the territory? I told you, Wilson is the member of the territory. Faraj is the member of the territory. These are the members of the territory. At the same time, which records are you going to add the records manually or condition wise? I told I will go with the condition. What is the condition I told? I told if index is equal to banking, if index is equal to banking, add them to. So if any account record created with index equal to banking, any account record created with index equal to banking, automatically they will fall under what? Automatically they will fall under what? This SR Nagar. This SR Nagar territory. Are you clear about it? They will fall under what? Amirpet territory. So Hyderabad is the territory. Territory under this we have SR Nagar model, and SR Nagar we have Amirpet. So who are the members of Amirpet? Wilson and Faraj. Which records will be falling under this model? All the account records whose index equal to banking, they are the members of this territory. So all the records of this territory are accessible to members of this territory. Are you clear? So we are giving the permission based on region wise. Are you clear about this? This is also called territory sharing rule. Sharing the records based on territory model. Sharing the records based on territory model. People have got an idea? Am I clear? Sure? People are comfortable with this? Clear, boss? Right. Let me revise all the points, whatever we have done till now. So first of all, I am going with the object. If you want to share any object, what is the first thing I have to do? If you are able to see the object, then the question is, are you able to see the record or not? If I want to share the record, first I should ask whether you have a permission to see the object or not. How the object level permissions are controlled? Object level permissions are controlled using profile. If I want to give any extra permission for a specific user, permission set. Okay. Once you are able to see the object, then I'll ask which records. Now, if you want to give the permission on the record, what is the first permission we have to discuss? ODBD. ODBD stands for what? Organization wide default setting. They will specify what? Minimum level of permission what every user is going to get. Now, what are the different types of permissions we have? Private, public read write, private, public read write. Then we have public full access, public read write transfer, controlled by parent. When you say private, what does it mean? Only owner of the record will be able to access the record. No other user can see the record. When you say public read, what happened? Everyone can see the record, but on others' record they can only perform read operations. When you say public read write, what can happen? Everyone can see the record, but on others' record, read and write. Public read write transfer. This is available only for lead and case object. Public full access. It is available for only campaign object. Then we are going with the control by parent. If two objects are connected by master and slave relationship, if two objects are connected by master and slave relationship, then 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 okay, the child object will not have its own OWD. Whatever the OWD is given on the master object, same is applied on the parent. Okay, same is applied on the child object. Now, grant access using role hierarchy. The people who are standing on the top of the hierarchy, they can access all the records visible to the subordinate. Then we got sharing rules. Apart from OWD, if you want to share any extra permissions on the record, we will go with the sharing rules. When do you go for sharing rules? When OWD is private or public. What type of permission you are giving? Read or write. So, how many types of sharing rules are there? Owner based, criteria based, manual, effect based. Okay. Owner based means records which are owned by a given role and subordinate, public group are shared with the users who belong to a given role and subordinate, public group with what permission? Read or write permission. They are criteria based. Records which are meeting the given condition, they are shared with the given role and subordinate, public group with what permission? Read or read and write. Manual sharing group. If you want to share a particular record, go to a particular record, click on the record, share it. With whom I can share? With the role, with the user, with the role subordinate, public group. Right? When you want to share a particular record, you go with the manual sharing. What is the territory based sharing rule? You are dividing the entire business operation into different territories and adding the records to the territories, adding the users to the territories. Members of the territories can access the records of the territories. On which object you are going to create? Account and opportunity. Only account and opportunity object. People in the hierarchy, territory hierarchy. So SR Nagar records can be seen by Hyderabad people. Are you clear about this format? Clear for everyone? Clear? Clear? Still any questions? People are comfortable with this concept? Everyone is comfortable? Clear with this? Right. We'll see some more use cases in the next session. Right. Next up, one more point.